everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing and taste testing a snack subscription box from Universal Yums. And they very kindly gifted this to me, so thank you Universal Yums for this really exciting box of treats. This is a subscription service. They provide salty and sweet snacks from a particular country in the world. I got the South Korean box, which I am very excited about. All kinds of yummy looking treats in there. I think subscription boxes make great gifts, especially for a foodie in your life. So with the holidays coming up, I wanted to jump on this opportunity to try out Universal Yums. They have a few varieties of the snack boxes from small to large, but they're all great prices. And I think you could find a really fun gift idea for a family member or friend. Also, of course, you could treat your own family. These boxes are gonna be so much fun for kids because they have these interactive pamphlets inside. So it's gonna tell you all about the history and tradition of the different snacks that they sent you. Plus, they give you lots of trivia and fun facts about the country that you're exploring. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me over on Instagram at Ann's Family Recipe and give this video a thumbs up if you love to snack. Now let's check out this Universal Yums snack box. This is called a Yum Yum box, which is like their second tier of snack boxes. So the first tier of Yum box has 5 to 7 treats. This one has 10 to 12 tasty treats. Ooh, and a little sticker. This is a sheet with fun facts about South Korea. And then there's a scoreboard on the back if you want to do taste testing with your family. They also sell some of their treats online that were customer favorites. So if you like one treat from this box, they have a recommendation of something else you might like that you can purchase individually on their website, which is pretty cool. I'm a little bit nervous about the shrimp chips off the bat, but I see a lot of sweets down in here too. Choco pie, churro snacks, some gummy candies, some chips. I am very excited about this. Which ones are those, Andrew?
Cream Oreos.
Cream Oreos.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look like cookie sticks, huh?
Yeah.
Do you want me to help you open them?
Yeah.
Okay, here, give me.
I opened the box.
Okay, thank you. See what they look like. Oh, it's a long stick. Give it a taste. Let's see.
Tastes good.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Yeah.
Okay, first up, I'm trying these Pepero white cookie sticks. I'm very excited about these. I think this will be a pretty tame introduction here. Oh, it's like one of those really thin bread sticks you might get in an Italian restaurant in the little bread basket. With the white chocolate coating and little chocolate cookie pieces. This is delicious. I know my other kids are gonna love this too. Very tasty. Okay. I'm pleasantly surprised so far by South Korean snacks. Let's move on to something else. So I think I'm gonna keep it sweet for now. Okay, next up I'm gonna dig into these peach flavored gummies. It looks like it's chewy on the outside and maybe gooey on the inside. We'll have to see what this texture is like. I do like this packaging though, so. Oh, they're so cute. Wait, look at them, they're tiny little hearts. Or I guess, heart-shaped peaches. Oh my gosh, so cute. Hold on. Do you see how cute that is? Oh, they smell really good. Okay, so again, I like the packaging because it has a zip top, so they'll stay fresh if I don't eat them all right now, which might be hard not to do. We'll see. Very chewy, kind of like a fruit snack kind of candy with a little bit of peachy goo in the middle. Oh my gosh. These are right up my alley. I love candies like this. Okay, I need to save room for the other snacks. So, moving on. Let's try a churro chip flavored with cinnamon, sugar, 5 grains, and maple syrup. All right, the packaging is kind of weird because the seam is down the middle this way. Let's see if I can, I don't know if I can open it. I might grab scissors just so I can keep it kind of neat. One moment, please. Oh, these are cute. They're very small, little itty bitty churros. Okay. And they smell good. Oh. Very light and airy. With a nice cinnamon sugar flavor. These are delicious. I really like those. They have like a deeper flavor from those different grains, which I'm not saying it's necessarily healthy, but it does kind of taste a little healthier. Oh no, hang on. 4 to 50 calories per container. Worth it? Maybe. Let's try one of these cookies. I don't want to pronounce the name. It actually seems French. But we're still in South Korea, I think. Italian style cream cheese, mascarpone and cream cookies. I love mascarpone cheese. I like how kind of bite-sized everything has been so far. So you can just try a little nibble. That way, there's more for my kids to try later too. Okay, so you know what? It looks, well, it feels like a Milano cookie, actually. Pepperidge Farm Milano cookies. That's exactly what this feels like. Yeah, tastes exactly like a Milano, but then there's that little bit of creamy filling. I wouldn't say, oh, that tastes like mascarpone cheese. I think I'm saying that right, but it is very good. This would be great with a cup of coffee. Yeah, okay. Clearly I have a sweet tooth because I'm going for all the sweet things first. Also, I'm nervous about some of these savory things coming up, but we'll get there. Ready? This looks like a moon pie, I think. They sell those in the South. It's chocolate covered. It says black sugar and milk tea. Feels kind of squishy, a little bit whoopie pie-esque. Maybe like a marshmallowy consistency to the filling. We'll have to see. A little dry on the inside. I'm not sure if I've ever had a moon pie before or not. I think this is similar though. It's almost like a soft graham cracker with marshmallowy cream and then coated in chocolate. It's good. I don't love the texture of the chocolate. It has a little bit of a fakey, waxy texture to it, but overall the flavor is kind of yummy. It tastes a little bit like a s'more in cookie form. Okay, choco pie. See some of that. Clean up the crumbs, because that's the type of person I am. I clean as I go. How are you in the kitchen? Do you just make a huge mess and then clean it up at the end, or do you clean as you go? I clean as I go. But you know what I'm about to do? I'm just putting it over here with the other stuff because I'm not gonna walk over to the trash can. So that is fine. Let's try this other chocolate cake pie. Premium dessert cake. All right. Oh, this looks identical to the last one. Hang on. I wonder if this was a mistake. And this one has little chocolate swirlies on top. I think I like this one better. It's like a whoopie pie. It has more of like a creamy frosting in the middle with a kind of a moist chocolate cookie cake cookie, and then the chocolate frosting on top. Similar texture to that other one, but this one is more moist. That's really good. That kind of reminds me of some sort of pre-packaged snack item here in the United States. A ho-ho, a Swiss roll, something like that. Swiss roll, I think. Yeah, those are like kind of log shaped with the cream in the middle or wrapped around because it's rolled. Anyway, yummy. I like that. And this one melts very fast, FYI. I have chocolate all over my fingers now. But that was very good. Okay, one more sweet and then we'll go into the savory. I don't know why I'm doing a dance. Not necessarily looking forward to that, but there's only a couple things to try. Okay, so these are sweet and sour chews, grape flavored, and oh, very grapey. I love, there's a, I believe it's a Japanese candy. They're called high chews that my sister Kate introduced me to. I think I still have cake snack or whatever they call it on my face, sorry. High chews, very delicious. Kind of a unique consistency. A little bit like a Starburst, but not quite as chewy, I don't think. And very intense flavors. I love the flavors of them. So I'm thinking it's gonna be similar to that, but high chews aren't sour, unless they make a separate brand of sour ones, but this says sweet and sour. Very grapey. And I'm glad it's grape because that's one of my favorite flavors of candy. Like if you're gonna be artificially flavored, I love grape. Don't give me cherry. Oh. Oh. It's way chewier than a high chew. Oh. Not recommended if you have any kind of fillings in your teeth. Flavor's great. Super intense fake grape flavor, which I love. But ultra chewy, almost like a stale Tootsie Roll. Like really chewy. But I think I'm gonna finish it because I love the flavor. South Korean Laffy Taffy, right here. And not too sour either, definitely a little sour, This would be really good in an apple flavor too. But not like painfully sour. Hello, go go. That's what the packaging says. All right. So sweets are done. Let's move on. This is gonna take me forever to chew. I don't know why I did that. Okay. That was a bit of an effort, but delicious nonetheless. Next up, I'm gonna try, I'm going for it, shrimp chips. I mean, I think it's just gonna be a savory potato chip, similar to like a ketchup chip, a barbecue chip here, you know, a savory flavor, but just, the scent's not too strong, but the texture is not what I was expecting. They're like foamy. If a cheese curl met a baked potato chip or a Pringle or something, it's sort of that texture. Here goes nothing. Let's try this out. They're not bad. It takes a second, but then that shrimp flavor really kicks in. It's not my favorite, but it's not totally disgusting. It almost reminds me slightly of sour cream and onion, that sort of sour, savory flavor. But this definitely has a slight fishiness to it too. Not my favorite. Also, I wish it was more like a Pringle or a potato chip. I don't love this texture. I was gonna put the rest in my mouth, but I don't think I really want to. Okay, so that's kind of a All right, next we have spicy chicken flavored corn puffs. Use my scissors again. Oh, I mean, it said spicy, but then it also says hot. Because normally it'd be like mild, medium, hot. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm not very good with spicy things, like I'm a total wimp. I just wanted to give it a quick test on my tongue. It's not burning. I can feel a little tingle, but it's not like burning instantaneously, so we're just gonna try it. Wow, that's actually not bad. Oh, it's a little spicy. Oh, it's really good. It's sweet and hot. Tastes like kettle corn meets like a spicy barbecue chip. But the texture is more like a Cheeto almost. I actually really like these. Spicy chicken flavored corn puffs. Who knew these were gonna be a hit? All right, it looks like traditional ramen noodles out of a package, but there is a flavoring packet in here too, which is why I was second guessing myself, because flavoring packet. But it says on the back, oh, smash, sprinkle, snack. It also gives me instructions in my little book here. Stop, these noodles are too fun to start munching without first learning the correct way to munch. Pushu pushu is super popular in South Korea. Pushu pushu. And all the cool kids know the right way to eat it. Want to be a cool kid? I do indeed. Let me read on. Listen up, carefully open the bag just a bit. Already passed that, that's okay. Quickly losing my cool kid status here. Take the seasoning packet out, now comes the fun part. Smash the bag with your fist, hammer, anything. Then sprinkle in the seasoning, give the bag a shake, and you're ready to snack. Delicious. All right, I'm gonna pause here. I'm gonna wait till my kids get home and we'll do this one together. So, welcome home from school.
Hey.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi Benny. Okay, yes, so you can dig in. There's churro snacks. These are cookies, shrimp chips. These are, what?
Churro's good.
Yeah, I really liked those. What do you think?
It tastes
It's okay if you don't like it.
chicken and biscuit, but this like a potato chip.
Yeah, with a hint of fishiness.
Oh yeah.
These are spicy, but they're very good. I mean, I liked them.
What are these?
Did you like those, Jay? Yeah, they're little peach
Is
candies.
this like, what are they called? Like, are they called Pockies?
You
Are
can
these
have one,
like,
Andrew.
what they are like Pockies?
Yeah. Do you like that, Ben?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. They're good. Actually, that's good.
What do you rank it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Probably 10.
Good. I like, those are one of my favorites too.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have another one of these shrimp chips.
Okay.
And I'll have one of these. Get it. Come on.
All right, so the kids kind of like the shrimp chips. You guys like savory snacks, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Mom, am I allowed to have one of those? Let's try.
Wait, what was that reaction to the peach candy? Was that a good or a bad?
Delicious.
Okay, yeah. So since I accidentally already opened that bag wide, I'm gonna transfer this into a zip top bag with, where'd the seasoning packet go? Where'd the seasoning packet go? Did I throw it away by accident? Oh my gosh, I'll have to find it. I'll find it in the garbage. And then we're gonna mash this up and then you eat it like a little snack. I located the seasoning packet. So I'm gonna dump that into the baggie.
Yeah, I'll take one, Joey.
Like so.
So far,
Okay.
all of the snacks have been really good.
And then we're gonna shake it up to get the seasoning all mixed in
I
there.
want to try. I love ramen. These are really fun snacks.
Yeah. Wait, what'd you say about ramen?
I love ramen.
Yeah.
And it smells like
Do you like
it's
ramen?
cooking. Yep.
It does smell like it's cooking. Yeah, here, we'll shake it up.
That's what it's supposed to do. Is
Oops, there might be a little hole in the bag because I used the wrong side of the mallet to start.
Okay.
Oh, and look at this. It comes with a little booklet with like trivia and fun facts about South Korea. Who's gonna try?
Me.
Just a little bite. See if you like it.
Mom, put it closer.
Is that good?
It's like barbecue a little bit.
Oh, okay. I mean, I'm assuming it's gonna be salty. What do you think,
like
Ben?
chips.
Tastes like chips?
Yeah, not more.
I know people put this ramen, uncooked ramen noodles on top of salads and things. I never
you
thought to
cook it?
just... Yeah, these are the noodles that you would normally cook, but this is designed to just be eaten like a snack.
Because
Let's see.
if I lived in South Korea, I
Whoa!
would buy this every day.
That is delicious. This reminds me of chow mein noodles in texture, and it has a nice salty, savory flavor. That's really good. That was very tasty and a lot of fun. Thank you so much, Universal Yums, for sending me that box to try out. I have a referral code for you in my description box below. If you sign up using my link, you get $5 off your first box.